working 2 jobs, 18 hours a day, well over 70 hours a week. And I'm a single mom. I didn't have the time. So I needed something that was done for you. And that was the beauty of this system. But it's the mentorship that I was receiving on a daily basis to teach me all about it, because my daughter actually created my TikTok for me. And that's how I ran across Michelle and the program. I didn't know anything about social media, wasn't even on social media. No clue what the online world was even about, right? I just worked. I was in the trucking industry for over 20 plus years, and I waitressed nights, weekends, and holidays. So when Ashley was talking about getting her time back with her family, that was my priority. That's where it lied. I wanted my time back with my kids. And when you start realizing that you're always putting that job before your family, it hits differently. And listen to me when I say this, when you realize that your kids need you more than ever, you've got to make a pivot somewhere. Something has to change. Now, did I think the digital marketing would ever be the answer to my prayers? No, not at all. But I was willing to give it a chance because everything that I was seeing was telling me that I could do this if I just gave it a couple of hours a day. And that's exactly what I did. In the morning while I was getting ready, I would spend 30 minutes watching a training, or whatever it was. And then on my lunch break, 45 minutes I spent in the trainings, listening to replays, jumping on the Zooms, live mentorship to teach you all about social media and marketing, all of it. Guys, I didn't know anything. I had no clue. Actually had to Google what is digital marketing. But I still purchased because I knew that if I put all of me into it for a few hours every day, that this could possibly help me. And that it did. Here I am, 16 months into this. Multiple six figures earned. I have 11 streams of income. This program taught me how to start my own coaching business that brings me in multiple sources of revenue. And I am still helping people on a daily basis get out of their struggle, because I know if somebody like me that has no knowledge of any of this and can learn that easily from this done for you system, learn how to promote for done for you digital products, then I know you can do it. Anybody can do it, no matter where you're at in your life or how busy you really think you are. Because there is time throughout your day that you can fit this in. I promise you that. So yeah, it only took me 10 weeks to quit both of those jobs. I have rebuilt my relationship with my children. I am a stay-at-home mom now, first time ever in over 30 years. I now receive an income daily, weekly, monthly, and I'm not stressed out about paying bills anymore. When my kids need something, I can do that for them. I just paid for my daughter's college education. I was able to pay for her to fully furnish an apartment for her. I would have never been able to do that a year and a half ago. Obviously, I was a struggling single mom of many years. So take a chance on you. Please. We just don't know our worth sometimes, and we don't think that we deserve to be happy. And I'm telling you right now, there's more to life than being miserable and stuck at a job that you hate and putting your family last. Because those jobs always came before my kids, and I paid dearly for it. Enough of that. This is a different world now. Everything is going digital. Everything. Why not try it, even if you don't know anything about it? Why not change the trajectory of your family situation?
Mhm.
I just want to.
Ready to learn more? Put me in the comments and I would absolutely love to get you the information.